How I made $200 in one day using Canva. Step by step. Imagine waking up, grabbing your laptop, opening Canva, and by the end of the day you've made $200. Sounds crazy, right? Well, I did it. And today I'll show you exactly how I made $200 in just one day using Canva, with zero design experience. Let's get into it. How I made $200 in one day. Canva method, section 1. What makes Canva a money-making machine? So Canva is not just a simple design tool, it's basically your online ATM when you use it the right way. Millions of businesses, YouTubers, influencers, coaches, and entrepreneurs need designs every day, and most of them don't know how to design at all. That's where you come in. And the best part, Canva does 80% of the work for you. Section 2, how I made $200 in 24 hours. Real breakdown, alright, here's the exact method I used. Task 1, YouTube thumbnail design, $15. A YouTuber needed 3 thumbnails. I used Canva templates, right pointing arrow replaced images, right pointing arrow changed colors, right pointing arrow added bold text. Result: 10 minutes of work, right pointing arrow, $45 earned. Task 2, Facebook ad creative, $40. A small business needed a simple, eye-catching ad image. I used Canva's stock photos, added a headline plus CTA. 5 minutes of work, right pointing arrow, $40 earned. Task 3, Instagram Reels cover plus carousel, $25 plus $35. A coach ordered, checkmark Reels cover template, checkmark 5-page carousel post, all made with Canva's drag and drop elements. $60 earned. Task 4, logo plus branding revision, $55. Someone needed a basic logo refresh plus color palette. Canva's logo templates made it super easy. $55 earned. Total profit, $200 in one day, and the total time spent was less than 2 hours. And yes, anyone can do this. Section 3, step by step, how you can make money using Canva. Step 1, pick a simple service to offer. Choose one of these: YouTube thumbnails, Instagram templates, Facebook ads, business logos, resumes, ebook covers, flyers and posters, TikTok video covers, presentation slides. Don't try doing everything. One service plus clean portfolio equals faster clients. Step 2, practice with Canva templates. Open Canva, search for what you want to create, and start customizing templates. For example, search YouTube thumbnail, pick 5 designs, change colors, text, images, export and save them. These will be your portfolio samples. Step 3, create your portfolio. Super important. Use Canva, create a simple portfolio page. Google Drive, Behance, Fiverr profile gallery. Your portfolio should include checkmark 5 to 10 thumbnails, checkmark 5 Instagram posts, checkmark 2 logo designs, checkmark 2 ad creatives. This is what will attract your first client. Step 4, where to find clients. Fastest methods. Method 1, Fiverr, create a gig. I will design professional YouTube thumbnails using Canva. Method 2, Upwork, apply to entry-level graphic design jobs. Method 3, Facebook group, search for YouTubers group, small business owners, coaches and creators. Post, hey, I'm offering affordable Canva designs, DM me. Method 4, DM small YouTubers directly. Send this message: hi, I noticed your thumbnails. I create clean, clickable designs using Canva. Would you like a free sample? I got 2 of my $200 clients using this exact message. Step 5, deliver fast and shock them with quality. When you deliver Canva designs, checkmark use bold fonts, checkmark use high contrast colors, checkmark add shadows and outlines, checkmark use good stock images, checkmark provide 2 to 3 variations. Clients love fast delivery. That's why Canva is perfect. Section 4, how much can you earn weekly? If you follow this method, 5 thumbnails per day, right pointing arrow, $75, 2 Instagram packs per day, right pointing arrow, $60, 1 logo per day, right pointing arrow, $30, that's around $165 per day, or $900, $1,200 per week. All using Canva, all from home. Light bulb pro tip: Sell Canva templates for passive income. You can create and sell Instagram templates, YouTube thumbnail packs, resume templates, ebook templates, Canva planners, social media bundles. Sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, Creative Market, Shopify. One template can make money for years without extra work. And that's how I made $200 in one day using Canva, and how you can do it too. If you want me to create a full step-by-step tutorial on building Canva templates or setting up your first Fiverr gig, comment Canva below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to Online Profit Hub, and hit the bell for more online money-making secrets. Thanks for watching. Now go start designing and get your first $200.